Balances and volumetric instruments should be calibrated according to lab policy or manufacturer recommendations, more frequently for critical work and after transport or repair. Calibration means checking and adjusting an instrument so its readings are accurate, and for a fifth grader, think of it like making sure a scale or measuring cup shows the right number every time. If you move the equipment, drop it, or use it for very important measurements, you should check it again. Manufacturers usually give a schedule, labs have their own rules, and critical experiments may need daily or before each use checks, while routine instruments may be checked weekly, monthly, or quarterly depending on risk. Calibration after repair or after moving an instrument is important because bumps and jolts can change how it reads. Keep a log so you know when the last calibration happened and what the results were. A common mistake is assuming an instrument stays accurate just because it looked fine, and the simple fix is to follow the lab schedule and verify with a standard or calibration weight before important runs. Another mistake is skipping calibration after transporting or repairing equipment, which risks wrong results, so always recalibrate or at least verify performance after any move or service. Some people forget to document calibrations, and the quick remedy is to keep a clear, dated log with who performed the check and the outcome. Check out www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on calibration frequency and best practices.